Hey everyone, this is just a quick introduction of Snowflake environment. As you can see here, I have like four worksheets. You can see like the this one is the one that I use to create the database, and over on the left hand side here you can see there are five databases, and one of them like create database garden plans. And you can create the database and drop the database like this using this command, using this SQL command. And when you create the database, just make sure your role, because there are some built-in roles that already created, and then make sure you have your compute. Basically the warehouse is your compute, and there are several sizes that you can choose. And this is one is also auto suspend every 10 minutes. Okay, so now if you run like create database here, once you put your cursor anywhere, somewhere here in the statement, on the statement line, you can just create database, and then you can see, sometimes it does not show up right away, but you can just click this refresh button, and you'll see that automatically it will create a public schema and information schema, and then you can drop database, and then if you refresh now, the database is gone. Once you create the database, basically you can insert, you can create a table, and just make sure your contacts here when you create a table. For example, if you like create this table root depth, if you do not choose your database in the schema, right, you probably will have a hard time to find the table. But yeah, make sure you set the context, or you can use the dot prefix with database dot schema dot if you want to. So once you create the table, right, you can insert the row, and you can see the table is here, and then here, and then once you insert the row, you can run a select statement if you want to like limit only 2 rows, or you can use this preview tables. You can say it can show you the number of rows inside the tables, and it's also showing as 3 because I insert 3 rows here. You can insert one by one. Let's say if I truncate the table, right, now the table is gone, and sometimes it does not immediately reflect it here, but you just need to refresh. Now the row is gone, right? When you click here or click preview data, it will say no rows available, and then you can insert one by one, or just insert multiple rows at the same time here, so then it says like 3 rows inserted. And then you can if you go without this limit command, you can see that all 3 rows. And you can also use this show command when you see here, right, and it will show you the database name, schema, and the table name that you have, and and that there is a retention time. Also, when you create table, you specify the data type, like here Snowflake, it did some internal conversion, so like even for number it does like, and then you put like this uh, for the decimal point here, it use here, and then for the text it changed to Parker. All right. Yeah, I think that's it for now for the for this intro to that Snowflake environment and worksheets. There are a lot of more stuff here that yeah that we can discuss later in the next video. All right, thank you for watching.